Let's learn how to integrate FlowBridge and Voiceflow into Instagram and Facebook. They use the exact same process. Client companies and Voiceflow projects we are assuming that are already created on your account. Now go into the client integrations. Create a new client integration by clicking on the New Client Integration button. Once you've done that, you can select the client company and the Voiceflow project that it should be associated with. Give your integration a name. I suggest you add what type of integration it is into the name itself, such as Facebook or Instagram, and click Next. Now, this part is the exact same for Facebook and Instagram. Just select Facebook or Instagram from the channel selection. Once you see the Login with Facebook button, you click it, wait for the pop-up to open, and select which business profile you're trying to connect. Click Next until you get to select the actual page you want to integrate with. And then once you're on the final screen, you can click Got it. It should close. And after a couple of seconds, it should grab the access token from your Meta account. You should now select the Facebook page that you want to integrate with and click Create. After just a couple of seconds, the integration should be created and ready to go. So once you go over to your Facebook page, you can start messaging and it should respond with the messages based on your Voiceflow build. That's it.